Hi everyone, Ate Myra here. For today's video, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo makakakuha ng free CIMB bank card or tinatawag po natin itong, yung real name po talaga niya is Visa PAYWAVE ATM debit card. Okay? Anyway, whatever that is, it's a CIMB bank card guys at it's for free. So, guys, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Guys, sa ating CIMB Bank app. At as you can see, wala po siyang laman. Pero ang gagawin natin ngayon ay gusto natin magkaroon ng free CIMB Bank card. Punta lang tayo sa card na nasa pinakababa. And as you can see, tatlo lang yung requirements. First is document verification. Pangalawa po is yung cumulative cash in of 1,000 pesos. Incomplete pa siya guys. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko pa na-reach yung 1,000 na cash in. So, yan yung gawin natin ngayon. Tap lang natin yung incomplete. And as you can see here, please cash in a total of 1,000 or more to your Fast or Fast Plus account. So, tap lang natin itong cash in now. After that, how would you like to cash in? Over-the-counter cash in lang po at 7-Eleven. Andito po kasi ako sa 7-Eleven nung ginagawa ko po ito. So, yan, piliin lang natin 2 is from 2 Fast Plus account. Tapos yung cash in amount is 1,000. And wala po siyang charge. Next lang po tayo at ito na po yung code na ipapakita natin sa cashier ngayon. Also guys, take note po, valid until after 2 days po yung validity ng code. So that's really cool, diba? Tapos wala pang charge. So really nice. Okay guys, ayan na po siya. So nakapag-scan na po and then balik lang tayo sa homepage. Let's see kung andyan na. Ay, wala pa rin guys. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po siya ganun ka-instant. Pero don't worry po kasi papasok at papasok din siya. Siguro maybe mga few minutes lang po, napasok din naman siya. So, wala pa siya ngayon. Pero nung tinap ko po tong Fast or Fast Plus account, let's see. Ayan. Ayan na siya guys. Pumasok na po yung 1,000 pesos na kinash in natin via 7-Eleven. Alright. So, the next day guys, nag-login ulit ako kasi gusto kong makita kung ano yung progress, kung pwede na ba talaga or incomplete pa rin. So, punta lang tayo ulit sa card na nasa baba. And, card na nasa baba po. And then, check natin guys kung okay na. Ayan. Yung document verification is verified at saka yung cumulative cash in of 1,000 is completed na rin kasi nakapag-cash in na tayo. Now, ang incomplete na lang is yung delivery address confirmation. This is so easy. Confirm lang natin yung ating address kung tama or mali, guys. Kung saan nyo po gustong ipa-deliver yung free CIMB bank card. Okay, you can now get your free debit card where you can enjoy free withdrawals from 2,000 plus ATMs nationwide. Guys, ito lang. Pag yung present address is within Metro Manila, 5 to 7 business days po. Pero kapag outside Manila, 10 to 14 business days. Okay? So, dito guys, i-verify mo lang yung address nyo, kung yun po talaga yung address, pero change address lang kung hindi po yun yung address na gusto mong pag-deliveran. Okay? Next, confirm lang po. Your debit card is now on its way. So guys, wait na lang tayo and Yes, I will update you guys pag dumating na, then post ko na lang din. Gawa din tayo ng video about that kasi after that, i-activate po natin yung ating card sa ating app. Okay? So, let's just wait and see. Hopefully, dumating siya, within 14 days, within 14 business days. Kasi excited na akong gamitin siya, guys. Anyway, guys, if you're asking, bakit kailangan natin ng CIMB bank card? Gusto ko naman mag-save sa OVscte account ko. Guys, sa CIMB bank app, meron pong tatlo, diba? Ayan po yung GSave, andyan po yung Fast Plus account, at andyan din po yung OVscte account. Yung Fast Plus account po natin, guys, ay medyo maliit yung interest, pero yan po yung nagpo-provide po ng free CIMB bank card. Yung OVscte account, although malaki po yung kanyang interest, no? Ang laki po ng interest niya, pero wala siyang free CIMB bank card. Now, gusto kong mag-save sa OVscte account ko, then ayoko sa Fast Plus, bakit kailangan kong magkaroon ng CIMB bank card? Well, first guys, dahil free siya. Second, dahil mapapadali po yung withdrawal niyo po nung sinave nyo. Okay? And ang gawin nyo lang naman kasi, magsisave ka sa OVscte mo kasi alam mo na dun yung mas mataas na interest rate, right? Now, if you kailangan mong mag-withdraw, mapapadali ngayon yung withdraw mo kasi ito transfer mo lang yung money or yung money na kailangan mo from your OVscte account papunta sa iyong Fast Plus account. That way, mawi-withdraw mo na agad ngayon yung inyong money or yung money na kailangan mong i-withdraw sa CIMB bank card mo. Okay? So guys, if you have CIMB bank app, it's so important that you get free CIMB bank card. Free siya, guys. So, take advantage of it, okay? Anyway, guys, happy saving sa ating lahat. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and then like this video. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye. See ya.